to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Welcome to
y'all, we done made
Mississippi.
it down here to Waynesboro, Mississippi. This is the car we're supposed to be painting. Another travel paint job. This is a 83, real clean, original. Y'all see that interior here? Look at that dash, clean interior. 1983. We're going with like I think it's a white pearl with red in it. He got all the paint in the trunk. Me and this guy here, we've been talking over a year back and forth. He had came to the shop one day, found out where the shop was, said he had some projects he wanted me to paint. He had just got this in here. He done had this maybe, I would say, probably a month. I told him once I be able to get to him, I'm gonna get to him. And he waited. Now it's his time. He at the top of the list now. He also got this Granville up here. Look like it came from Iowa. He want me to check it out. He actually a truck driver. He be on the road all the time, so I don't know, that might be one of his trucks there. But he in Pennsylvania somewhere now. So he might not see me this time. I probably have the car painted by the time he get back. But this, I don't know what year this is. It's 70 something. It look like got the wood grain in it. It look pretty clean, for real. Drop top. I ask him what year. Let's see, I might see here. 74. Look like got somebody done did the floor pans in it. Look pretty good. Pretty solid. Came from Iowa. The rocker panels, everything look like it's all there. Just a little surface rust up here. I don't know, he might be finna LS swap it. But it look pretty solid. This might be, well, I'm pretty sure he gonna want me to paint this, so, cause he told me to check it out before I leave. It's missing that trim now. Top, pretty solid. They got my main man, Raw. He on this ones and twos too. It's an old Impala with that box Chevy across the street. But this is what we finna do here. Yeah. Yeah, he told me to check it out. It's a Granville, I think it's a 74. It say 74 in the jam. With the skirts on it. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna cut y'all back on once we get ready to pull off. I'm gonna crank it up, drive it to the shop. We're gonna paint at this shop. I haven't met the guy, but he said he'd be watching my videos, and he said we could paint. He got it okay with the shop on, so once we get there, I'll cut y'all back on. I'm finna fire it up, get a little gas. Oh, she clean. Let me cut this radio down. I don't want to get copyrighted. When he came by the house, about a month ago, 2 months, something like that. Probably been sitting here that long. Come on, girl. Come on now. We need you to crank up. We ain't come down here for nothing. Oh, yeah, yes. There she go. She ready, y'all. Let her run for a minute. We're gonna pop this hood here. Waynesboro. All original. Even got the insulation. All right, once we get to the shop, I'll cut y'all back on. All right, we're finna get ready to pull off. Head to the shop. Let's see. It's 13 minutes away.
Starting route to 214 Azalea Drive. Proceed to the route, then turn left onto US 45.
All right, we're finna get on out here in traffic.
In 1.7 miles, turn left onto State Highway 145.
So we got 1.7 miles to go on our next turn. But we're in traffic now, and there's an old box Chevy. Let me get over here in the slow lane. All right, we're coming through town. Look like the shop should be up here on the left. I think it's probably right here. I think it's right here.
The destination is on your left.
I don't know if this one here. 212, let me see. What's that? 214. Yeah, this is it. Okay, all right. They told me to pull to the side, come through the gate. All right, we done made it to the shop. We unloading all our tools and stuff. Now, here's the box Chevy. Here's the paint booth that we're gonna be spraying in. He said he really don't use it. He do mechanic work, other stuff like that. Panoramics, he don't really do no paint work. He said he got a guy that come down here that might do a bumper or two or fender, but that's about it. So this is what we're gonna be working at here. It's bigger than my old shop, so I can't complain. He was worried about if I was gonna have enough light, but I think we're gonna be good. But this is it. I'm gonna show you the paint. Once we get all the tools unloaded, I'm gonna show you the paint we'll be using. I think this car got 40, let me see, 45,000 original miles, 44. Let me see. 41,217. All right, we're finna get this paint unloaded. But he got some fender trim, brand new. Also the side molding. Let me see, I don't know if you need these. The real bumper filler, is they all right? Well, I guess you can use them. All right, what else we got up in here? I guess this all the paint, body color. U-Paul, lightweight gold. And at the raw. You done went to sleep already? We're gonna take it all in there first, then I spread it out and show you what we got. Yeah, you can just put it in this. Put it out trying to get it somewhere out the light. Nah. Put this light up. Where the lightning come on now. All right, I'm finna show y'all what we got. This the reducer. It's a mid-temp. That's the clear coat, Glamour Clear. It's 2 gallons of clear. And we got the activator. Got some primer. Look like they gave him some quartz. Let's see what we got here. We got 4 quarts of primer. Oh, I forgot. I had told him to order some sealer. I had brought some. I didn't think about that, but we got the sealer, white sealer. Then we got the Snow Slick Base Snow Blush Mid Coat. This step 2. I'll open that in a minute. This should be the base. This step 1. It should be white, all white though. I'm thinking. All this reducer and activator. The activator be a red top, the reducer be white cap. Then the body filler. See if I can find a paint stirrer. They usually give us some. This step 1. We're gonna open it and see. It should be white though, yeah. It's just white. That ain't nothing to look at. Everybody know what white look like. This what everybody wanna see. It's like a red pearl supposed to be. Probably ain't gonna be able to see it where all the pearls down at the bottom. I feel it. Let me mix this pearl up, then I'll cut you back on. I'm trying to get this pearl mixed up. It's caked up on the bottom, you can see. But you can see that pearl. That's how that pearl will look over gray, because it was some gray primer right there. It was some gray primer at the tip. That looked pretty good over that gray. But y'all can see that pearl now. Y'all stay tuned for the other videos coming up. The body work, then the paint work. Y'all know we gonna get it right.